Okay. Now we come to another miracle in the Holy Quran related to the water. The need of the water. The need for the water. Of course, for sure that without water, life would become impossible. وَجَعَلْنَا مِنَ الْمَاءِ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ حَيٍّ. We made out of water every living thing. Allah the Almighty said in the Holy Quran, وَهُوَ الَّذِي أَرْسَلَ الرِّيَاحَ بُشْرًا بَيْنَ يَدَيْ رَحْمَتِهِ وَأَنزَلْنَا مِنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً طَهُورًا لِنُحْيِيَ بِهِ بَلْدَةً مَيْتًا وَنُسْقِيَهُ مِمَّا خَلَقْنَا أَنْعَامًا وَأَنَاسِيَّ كَثِيرًا وَأَنزَلْنَا مِنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً طَهُورًا. This is the phrase that we would like to discuss from this verse. وَأَرْسَلْنَا وَأَنزَلْنَا مِنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً طَهُورًا. Okay? And then لِنُحْيِيَ بِهِ بَلْدَةً مَيْتًا. These are the two phrases that we would like to talk about. But before this, we would like to present to you the corresponding meaning of these two verses from chapter Al-Furqan. And it is He who sends the winds as good tidings before His mercy. And we send down from the sky pure water, that we may bring to life thereby added land, and give it as drink to those we created of numerous livestock and men. From chapter 25, verses 48 and 49. Okay. We have two phrases. Pure water and bring to life. Pure water. It was found through science that rainwater is the purest water for drink. Nothing better than the rainwater. ماء طهورا. Pure water. Okay? And it's a fact that the purest water is that coming from rain. Why? Because when water evaporates from the surfaces of seas and oceans and other water bodies, it left behind it every dirty thing, such as microbes, dirt, and other things. Just only what? Only water with nutrient elements. When it evaporates, it carries with it nutrient elements, in addition to those coming through or with the particles from the surface of the seas and oceans. So, the first thing about this verse is the purity of the water coming from the sky. It is the purest water. And if you go to some countries where it rains frequently, they don't have to dig wells or to get water from rivers. They just bought containers on their houses, up on the roofs of their houses, to collect rainwater and use it, drink it. The purest water. Second thing, Okay. The first telling us about we may bring to life. We may bring to life thereby a dead land. To bring what? A dead land to life. Huh? With what? With this water. Okay. When you talk about the water, you talk about the water from one point of view, which is the water is the essential thing for life. The essential thing for life. But whoever thought in the past that the rain would carry with it nutrient elements to make the land fertile. To make the land fertile. No one thought about this. But it is mentioned in the Quran. So that we may bring to life thereby a dead land. So the water coming from the sky serves two purposes. First, the rain provides the land with the water in order seeds and plants grow. And second, the rainwater carries with it nutrient elements in order to bring fertility to the land so that seeds and plants grow well. Oh, subhanallah, glory be to Allah. Who told the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, that the water coming from the land and the seas to the sky carries with it nutrient elements? It was not discovered until recently. It was not discovered until recently that such nutrient elements are lifted up to the sky and be mixed with the water drops and fall again onto the on the land so that the land becomes fertile and grows seeds and plants. Okay, this is what we are going to find through science about this fact, about the fertility of the what? Of the water coming from the sky, purity and fertility of rainwater. Science confirms that rainwater is the purest water for drink, and we discussed this. Biologists affirm that the surface of sea has a micro layer with large quantities of organic matter and nutrients elements. Subhanallah, glory be to Allah. Here we know how the nutrient elements come and go up to the sky to be mixed with the water drops and fall again in different regions on the land. Okay. As it is here stated, biologists found that the surface of the seas or oceans has a micro layer with large quantities of organic matter. This organic matter came from different livings in the sea and ocean, such as algae. Okay, these organic matter are full of nutrient elements, such as phosphorus, iron, and other elements that are essential for what? For the fertility of the land, in order to grow plants and seeds. Okay? when water evaporates from oceans and seas, and also those particles coming from the surface of seas and oceans and mixed with the dust coming also from the land, all these things are lifted up into the sky and become mixed with the water drops developed in the clouds and fall again onto the land. It is estimated that 150 million tons of organic or nutrient elements fall on the land every year. And what? In order to make the land fertile. So, it carries, when water evaporates from oceans and seas, it carries with it nutrient elements that fall with rain to revitalize dead soil and grows plants. Okay? In another word, to make the land fertile, so that seeds and plants grow. Okay. لنحيي به بلدة ميتة ونسقيه أنعام مما خلقنا أنعاما وأناسيا كثيرا.